Are you ready to dive into the world of procurement automation? This lesson focuses on the three-way match between purchase order, goods receipt, and invoice. By the end, you'll automate this process for 168 invoices, saving valuable time. Accounts Payable has put a $42,000 invoice on hold. The PO says 500 units at $84, but the goods receipt shows 480. The invoice claims 500 units at $87.50. 3 documents, 3 different stories. Until reconciled, the payment sits frozen. Think about how this works at a hotel checkout. The hotel keeps a record of what you ordered from room service. Your receipt shows what was delivered. The final bill should match both. If discrepancies occur, you dispute before paying. Receipts reflect delivered services for clarity and verification. At 40 minutes per exception and a typical 25% exception rate, this is 28 hours of manual work monthly. Reducing manual work saves time and increases efficiency monthly. Manual matching is unmanageable. At a larger scale, automation simplifies matching. Creating efficient workflows, reduced exception. Handling time improves productivity. Automation generates work files for team use. Automation handles large-scale operations seamlessly. 5 exception codes catch different failures, each with a specific action. No_PO, no_GR, QTY_mismatch, price_mismatch, arithmetic_error. These actions are standard remediation AP teams use. The match in Claude puts the action on every row of the work file. No_PO means the invoice references a non-existent PO. This is a phantom invoice, billed for something never ordered. AP returns it to the supplier. There's no contractual basis to pay without an authorized PO. This prevents unauthorized payments. No_GR exists when a PO exists but no goods receipt is recorded. Either the invoice arrived before logging or goods never arrived. AP holds payment and confirms with the warehouse. This ensures only received goods are paid for. QTY_mismatch occurs when the invoice is for more units than the goods receipt confirms. AP short pays to the GR quantity and notifies the supplier. The supplier must provide evidence of additional delivery. This maintains accuracy in payments. Invoice price deviates over 2% from PO price. AP holds invoice. Refers to procurement for review, ensures payment accuracy, and prevents overcharging. Accurate payments and protection against overcharges, improved financial accuracy and control. Arithmetic_error occurs when the invoice's math does not add up. Quantity multiplied by unit price does not equal the stated total. AP returns it for correction. This ensures mathematical accuracy in invoices. Launch Claude and begin the join key inspection. Name the exact column in each file that connects to the next. Paste the prompt and read the files. Check goods receipts, purchase orders, and invoices. Ensure formats match across files. Now the rules file. Paste the prompt and save the match rules. All conditions must pass. PO exists, GR exists, quantities match, prices match, and arithmetic is correct. Exception codes are identifiers, not descriptions. Now the match itself. Apply match conditions and read files for processing document results with match status and codes. Every invoice gets a row, even if no PO exists. Write results to a file with match status and codes. Now the work file. Filter exception rows and create a file with supplier name and recommended action. Sort by absolute difference in descending order for clarity. Action column guides the AP team's next steps effectively. Supplier name and recommended action are crucial for the process. Use absolute difference for sorting priority and effective analysis. The AP team relies on the action column for guidance in next steps. Now the impact. Paste the prompt and read the work file. Calculate total value on hold, overcharge, undercharge, and labor hours saved. Show the arithmetic. This is the business case for control. The rule from this lesson is the verification rule. The three-way match exists because no single document is sufficient evidence to pay. The control is in the agreement between all 3 documents. Exceptions are where they disagree. 4 traps are worth flagging. First, join key formatting mismatch. Second, invoices dropped when no PO exists. Third, multi-code exceptions routed wrong. Fourth, labor savings figure without arithmetic. Each trap has a solution. Look at what you have on disk. The rules file as the durable control specification. The match results with every invoice represented, the work file with supplier name and recommended action, the impact file with figures and arithmetic. In the next lesson, take the audit discipline further. Explore duplicate payment detection. Look at broader patterns across the invoice population. The three-way match sets the foundation. Examine invoice patterns for comprehensive analysis. See you in Lesson 05. Thank you. The three-way match automates invoice verification, saving time and preventing errors. With clear rules and exceptions, the process becomes efficient. Now you're ready to take on more complex procurement challenges.